In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with Office Online on OneDrive. If you're new to using Microsoft's online suite of tools, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the foundational steps to get you started, effortlessly allowing you to create, edit, and store your documents directly in the cloud. Let's begin by logging into your Microsoft account. This is your gateway to accessing OneDrive and all the Office applications available online. If you're not already on the OneDrive homepage, simply navigate there and enter your login details. It's important to remember that having a Microsoft account allows you to simultaneously use various services like Word, Excel, and beyond. Once you're logged in, you're going to locate the app launcher. This feature is typically found in the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on it will present you with several options. From here, you can select the specific Microsoft app you want to work with, such as Word or Excel. Clicking on a program tile will open a brand new document, allowing you to start typing right away. One of the advantages of using Office Online is that your work is automatically saved to OneDrive. This means you don't need to worry about losing any changes if something unexpected happens, like losing internet connectivity. Every change is saved in real time, ensuring your document is always up to date. But what if you want to access a file you've saved previously or upload something from your computer? You can easily do this by opening OneDrive and navigating to My Files. Here, you'll find all the documents you've worked on. To open a file, just click on it, and it will start up right in your browser. This seamless transition between working on, saving, and retrieving documents is one of the key benefits of using Office Online with OneDrive. Remember, as you make changes to your documents, they are automatically updated. This ensures you're always working with the most recent version of your file. If you want to add new files from your computer, simply use the Upload button in OneDrive. It's a straightforward process. Click Upload, select your file, and it will appear in your OneDrive within moments. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you can streamline your workflow, efficiently managing your documents in the cloud with Office Online and OneDrive. This integration not only makes your work more accessible, but also gives you the flexibility to work from anywhere, anytime, as long as you have an internet connection. So go ahead, explore the endless possibilities with Office Online and OneDrive, and transform the way you work with documents today. Thank you for joining me, and be sure to check back for more tips and tutorials to enhance your tech-savvy skills.